All right, we got a lot of questions about what our leaf filters fit. On the top, they'll fit 3x4, 4-inch round, or 2x3. We have those three in stock in white or black. People want to know, what does the 4-inch leaf filter fit? Well, it'll go inside anything PVC. Here's Schedule 40 PVC, no problem. It'll go in dual wall, it'll go in triple wall, it'll go in single wall, no problem. We have a 3-inch version. You can also buy the leaf filter in 3-inch. It'll go inside 3-inch PVC or 3-inch corrugated. Here's our 4-inch corrugated. Here's PVC 4-inch 35. Inside are not quite a 90. That's pretty slick. You drill a couple holes, you push the fasteners in, glue and or tape it, or both. We like to, do all three. Put the fasteners in, glue it, and tape it if you're going to use the PVC. As you can see, these leaf filters go in anything, any 4-inch pipe, and they fit the three most common in the US 3x4, 4-inch round, 2x3 downspouts. All right, everybody, if you have any questions regarding this vented cleanout leaf filter, leave it in the comments section. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until the next video.